The perfect piece of toast is a beautiful thing to behold. Evenly browned on both sides, crisp on the outside, hot and pillowy on the inside, topped with a pat of melting butter, and perhaps a shake of cinnamon sugar, it's childhood memories, sick day comfort food, and a soul-nourishing start to the day.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best for sliced toasters in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Bydeem DT644 Slice Toaster. Let's face it, most toasters look the same, a smooth black or silver box. Some may be made with better material, or have a sleeker appearance, but few offer a distinguishing characteristic. This led our testers to seek out a few design-forward 4-slice toasters, including this curved and colorful retro-style toaster from Bydeem. Though this looks like it belongs in a mid-century modern house, the Bydeem has all the features of a 21st century toaster. There are bagel/muffin, reheat, and defrost options, plus 7 shade settings. The 2 sides are independently controlled, and it comes with a high lift lever for smaller items. Number 2. Cuisinart CPT T44 Slice Touchscreen Toaster. The CPT T44 Slice Touchscreen Toaster outperformed the competition in our lab tests, particularly when you factor in its price. Touchscreen controls on the front and 6 shade settings give precise control, and features include bagel, defrost, single-slice toasting, a plus 30-second option when the toast needs just a little more time, and a cancel button that stops the toasting right away. 2 levers each control a pair of toast slots, and each pair can operate separately, so it's easy to toast one side lighter and one side darker at the same time. This toaster's display rests in standby mode when it's not being used and wakes up at the touch of an icon, ready to help with breakfast tasks. The usefulness of this toaster's different features, as well as how well it toasts bagels, earned it praise from our lab testers. Bread toasted to a nice golden brown on medium and high settings, with the highest coming out evenly dark without being burned. Number 3. Zwilling Infinity Cool Touch Toaster. Sleek design and high-quality appliances are what Zwilling is known for, and our testers were not disappointed in its 4-slice toaster. It comes with 7 browning settings, plus defrost, reheat, and bagel functions, all easily viewable with LED lit controls. When your bread is done, you have both a soft lift and a high lift option. The slots are engineered to position each bread slice for even browning, and our testers found this element really delivered. No matter the setting or type of bread, everything came out of this toaster perfectly, evenly browned. The testers noted that it provided the most coverage of toastiness, no outer border of untoasted bread to be found. When they dropped in bagels, the wide slots fit them perfectly, with the highest setting keeping the crust soft and the interior dark but not burnt. Lastly, our testers felt this toaster's very modern aesthetic will look good on any countertop. Number 4. Procter Silex 4-Slice Toaster. If you're looking for a very affordable, no-frills toaster, there are tons of options, but one thing our testing proved is that there aren't a lot of basic 4-slice toasters that won't regularly burn your toast or malfunction. Efficiency and a simple design are what made the Procter Silex 4-slice wide slot toaster stand out in our lab. The only extra features this bare bones, slightly compact model has our 7 browning settings, a high lift lever for English muffins and the like, and a cancel button for when you don't want to wait. During testing, this did get very hot when on the hottest setting, with the bread closest to the heating element, the farthest left slot, coming out a little darker than expected. Number 5. KitchenAid KMT 4115 4-Slice Toaster. Even if you're not toasting fluffy New York-style bagels, forcing half a bagel into a too narrow toaster slot can result in a lot of crumbs. If this is a regular occurrence in your kitchen, you need to buy a wide slot toaster that is ideal for bagels. Our lab testers found just the one with this KitchenAid 4-Slice toaster. This model is available in 3 colors, offers 5 shade settings and a manual high lift lever, and features 1.5-inch wide slots. In our lab, it repeatedly toasted up picture-perfect bagels on all the settings. Just pop the bagel in, press the bagel function, and when it dings, you'll have a bagel with a still soft crust and even, golden brown crispiness on the inside. The testers did find that this toaster skews a bit darker on the regular settings, so keep that in mind. It also appeared to show fingerprints, but those were easy to clean. That was our list of the top 5 best 4-slice toasters in 2023 just for you.